Hey, 6th grade, our new unit of vocab is called I Like to Move It, Move It. Our roots are mob, mot, tract, tend, tens, tent. What I want you to do is make sure you have the 3 new sets of roots written down, and then you should have all 10 vocab words, the number of syllables, and the definition written down. This is what we would typically do on our Mondays. So you're going to do it from home so it's ready for Wednesday. So the first root, mob, mot, is Latin. It means to move. Tract is Latin. It means to pull or draw. Tend, tens, tent is Latin. It means to stretch or give. As you're listening and watching this, you can pause the video as you go to write the words. The first word is mobile. It's an adjective. Mobile means able to move from one place to another. The mobile phone allows people to leave home even if they are waiting for an important phone call. Mobile. If you think about a cell phone, they used to be called mobile phones. You could move from one place to another talking on it. Your next word, motivation. Motivation is a noun. It's the condition of being eager to act or work. Cindy's motivation to finish school helped her graduate from college a semester early. Motivation. The next word is motive. Motive is a noun. It's a reason for doing something. My main motive for learning Spanish is so that I can speak with my grandmother who doesn't speak English. Motive. Your next word is tractor. Tractor is a noun. Tractor is a large vehicle used to pull farm equipment. In our house, we don't believe in red tractors. We only believe in green John Deere. We watched the tractor pull the plow through the field at the farm. Tractor. Your next word is detract. Detract is a verb. Detract means to reduce the strength, value, or importance of something. If you park that old, rusted car in your front yard, it will detract from the beauty of your house. Detract. Your next word is contract. Contract is a verb. Contract means to make something smaller or shorter, to become smaller. If you look at the picture, when the bicep is contracted, it becomes shorter and smaller. When you flex your bicep, the muscle contracts, becoming shorter and more firm. Contract. The next vocab word is attention. Attention is a noun. Attention is the act or power of carefully thinking about, listening to, or watching someone or something. It's important to give your full attention when learning something new. Attention. Your next word is extend. Extend is a verb. It means to cause something, such as your arm or leg, to straighten out or to stretch out. If you extend your arms outwards, you will feel your chest muscles stretch. Extend. Your next word is tension. Tension is a noun. It means the amount that something is stretched, an uneasy feeling that makes it difficult to relax. After the friends argued, there was a lot of tension in the room. Tension. Contentious. Contentious is an adjective likely to cause people to argue or disagree. Contentious. You will create a contentious environment if you keep bringing up these controversial issues. Contentious. That is your last vocab word. So remember, you need to write all 10 words, syllables. I always tell you to include parts of speech, and the definition for Wednesday. Have a great day.